You're not video recording audio, are you?
I am.
Oh,
Poor you.
please, no recording. No recording.
It is. Colin.
What?
Colin.
Colin.
We're at ONA's headquarters in the Basque region in Spain. These guys are steeped in EDM history, so let's go and find out how they're providing EDM solutions to their clients.
ONA offer great flexibility, offering a wide range of machines, both in terms of cost and size. So we have standard range machines all the way up to high-end, latest cutting-edge technology machines.
We've got two great examples here. One where they've been able to make the footprint of the machine longer and slimmer to better meet the customer requirements. They've been able to do that by moving the generator around the back. We have another example behind me here where there's two machines that have been combined with a single robot that's loading the electrodes.
Biggest EDM twin head machine in the world. Richard, tell me more about it.
With the ONA AV machines, you have very user-friendly, intuitive control fitted to it.
Para que todos podamos aprender de esta máquina. Pedro, cuéntanos un poquito de esta AB130.
What you've just sent Joe to get some beers. He doesn't speak Spanish.
He needs to learn. Now you work with Mexican.
Okay, and what's he going to learn? What have you told him to say?
Dos cervezas, por favor.
No, you didn't. You told
Dos
him.
Estela.
You told him to order 2 chickens. Yes, you did. So let's see if Joe comes back with 2 chickens or 2 Stellas. Hopefully, well, we're both hungry, so maybe it's Stellas. Here we are. Has he got 2 chickens? Dos.
Dos cervezas.
Did you order 2 chickens?
Yes.
And what did you get?
2 Stellas.
Oh,
My Spanish was incredible.
increíble.
Yeah, I gave the accent and everything. Dos Stellas, por favor.
But this is Italian.
I don't care, it's just happening.
We are in. Where are we, Joe? Had to think about that. Bilbao. It's been a long week already. But we are at... There you go, odd spot where we are. Let's have a fun day doing lots of filming and seeing lots of machine talk. As you can see, we're at the ONA stand at the BIEMH exhibition. The place is absolutely heaving. I've just interviewed Andrew about their latest EDM technology, find out more about that because it's a world first. And then we've got Fair, Mexican stroke Spanish representative, who I put her under pressure because she's going to interview Marius. Both are not natural English speakers, but I think they speak better English than I do. And Marius is a world leader in EDM technology for aerospace. So How's the pressure fair? All good?
A lot of pressure.
No pressure, Marius? No. That's it, see? All good.
First interview in English.
There you go, first interview in English. Probably better than any interviews I've ever done. So there we go, watch this space for the interviews. The video is coming very, very soon. And we need to say a big thank you. We've got Andrew as a policeman here. Alberto, who's hiding over there. We did invite him to be a policeman earlier. He's been sacked because he was absolutely rubbish. Anyway, watch and enjoy.
ONA can help us in the aerospace market.
Well, absolutely. ONA is very much present in the aerospace market. Iris 4 machine is our premium machine, die sinking. We can have very powerful generators on the machine, up to 400 amps.
Y tenemos entonces una barra de mandrinar con altas prestaciones, 90 kilovatios y casi 3.500 Nm, y luego podemos tener un cabezal a 6.000 vueltas y 1.500 Nm de par. Por lo tanto, es una patente mundial y única en el mundo.
Pero antes déjenme decirles que este es uno de los equipos más pequeños que ellos tienen. Entonces imagínense mi sorpresa de ver que este es de los equipos más pequeños. Imagínense cómo han de estar los grandes. Raúl, cuéntame un poquito más de esta Fénix que tenemos aquí atrás.
Honestly, she's supposed to be working and instead she's just playing this stupid race car. Fair. She tried to change gear, wrong hand. Oh. I think she just told me off in Spanish. Oops. Anyway, solid cam it is. Let's speak to one of the product experts. Miguel, you know all about solid cam. Why would I buy it?
Is the new black. So
This is
the new black.
Pedro. What is this?
This is the new sangria, Calimocho.
Calimocho. Is this a made-up Spanish thing by Pedro and Gio? Joe has tried lots of things while on this working holiday, or just working. So, as they say in Germany, qu'est-ce que c'est?
So we put some wine. I think that I'm.
This is good. This is good wine.
Good wine.
Usually you do it.
Look at that face. We need Pedro. Would you lie to me?
I'm sorry, I think that I'm gonna need more wine for
Yeah,
you because
I'm thinking we need a lot more wine.
Yeah, this is not enough for
Okay.
Calimocho. We need a little bit more. Wait a
Wow.
second. We are going to.
So more red wine than Coke.
We are going to drink more red wine.
I'm scared. I don't know.
Be very scared. Anna, are you looking forward to this?
Yeah.
Wow, brilliant. I'm in charge of these two. I hope I get them home safe. Uber? Joe,
Yes.
how fresh is your bread roll? Give it a tap.
Okay. Alright. It's freshly baked.
To quote you, David Lester's got one of those, hasn't he?
Yeah, it's baseball.
Ping that, name a famous...
Thrower.
Yeah. Did you get that? No one saw that so fast as I threw it past. Babe Ruth? Or was he a batter? He doesn't know baseball.
I can touch it with the...
Can you do a magic trick? Magic trick?
No, like you
But-
can throw it and I will catch it.
But what have you got, Fair?
I got fresh bread because I'm pretty. Look.
Yeah, I'm not pretty.
Wow.
I don't get bread roll.
You're milking the bread roll now. How fresh is it?
It's hot.
Hot.
It's just...
I think you're
I
stuck.
burned my finger.
That's called, in Spanish, that's called karma. So, bad bread roll, good bread roll. Bad karma, good karma. Serves you right karma. As they say in Germany, remove a dirt chase. We're at BIEMH 2022. Now, this is the first time I've been to the show. It is absolutely amazing. Huge.
Yeah. La BIEMH en España tiene 6 pabellones que están divididos en 6 salas y cada uno nos muestra diferentes tecnologías. Así que acompáñenme al primer pabellón para ver la tecnología que tienen para ofrecernos.
Wow, a long walk and 6 fantastic halls.
Más de 10,000 pasos que hicimos el día de hoy. Y esto fue la BIEMH 2022 y esperamos verlos en la BIEMH 2024.
Honestly, no, it was horrible. It was like a flock of sparrows taking off in my bog this morning. It was disgusting. I just feel dreadful. Anyway, we've got to do it. Let's crack on. I'll take one for the team. Yeah, mate, if you want to do it, that's fine. Hola. Hola. Multilingual. Are you still filming? Joe is going to have one bicep that's absolutely, or maybe 2 biceps, they're absolutely massive, and 1 huge shoulder. Not a chip on it, just a huge shoulder. Unless he's got a chip on it because we're making him schlep around this massive, massive show with a heavy camera on his shoulder. Metal cutting too. Oh, that's why that's why I don't feel very. It's not because of dodgy pinchos, it's because of calimocho. Now you need to Google that. It is very good.
Is it?
It's better than martini we had last night.
That's true. That martini was terrible.
That martini was not a good martini.
That was not even a martini.
No, that was. Well, I think it's from the toilet bowl. Don't film this. Gracias. 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 That's all I got. Whatever.
You want pixie dust?
Gracias.
De nada.
Gracias.